Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you replace switch slot. If the switch slot of HP Pro 3330 MT is broken, I will show you how to replace the switch slot. Stay tuned. Open back cover and front cover. You will do that carefully. After doing that, I will remove DVD writer. To open the switch, you must open a DVD writer first. You will do what I do. Just turn it and remove easily. Then I will remove switch slot. Just press both sides and turn it. It will remove easily. This switch slot is okay. I will get it and replace broken switch. Here we remove power pin out from motherboard. Already done, and we remove from casing. Check how the switch was set before opening it from the computer. When removing switches and lights from the slots, remember how to open them. Later you can apply it easily. You will get the switch slot from service center. If you not get it, you will repair from service center. This switch is not okay, but the slot is okay, so we will get it. Here you see right hand, it was broken, the protection, and here you see the one is okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.